Hey guys, I'm Milad from 3D Repacks channel, and today I want to teach you a new trick in Corona to create a frosted pattern glass using a simple technique. With this technique, you'll have really good control over the frosted pattern. Also, you can easily add a logo. Are you ready? Now, let's go. We need three materials here. First one, I create a normal glass. For normal glass, I use it Corona physical until and selected this. Apply presets looking for glass and apply the normal glass to main model like this. And second one, I need the frosted pattern or it means frosted glass. So again, bring physical until and added glass frosted like this. And third one, again, bring glass and again looking for glass like this. And here I have to add an opacity picture. Look at this. I use that Photoshop for create the alpha as opacity and texture. Here I have two layers. Layer one is a logo like this, and second layer is text. Now I have to merge it together. So keep Control, select that second one, Control E, again hold the Control and click on image like this. Okay, look at this. Selected all object in your image. Control Shift N, press Control Shift N. Okay. Black color like this. Okay. Add the background. I have to turn off the main layer. Here I have to unlock and selected both of them. Again, Control E and Control I like this. Okay, I create the alpha. I have to save it now. Then drag it here. The alpha image I have to add to opacity color. Okay, I added just this. After that, I need the Corona Decal. So I selected it from here and looking for Corona C decal. It's my Corona Decal. Now I have to activate auto grade like this, and look at this. A large decal is fine to cover the whole glass. I think it's good. Maybe I have to check it from top view and scale it for cover the whole glass like this. Maybe I think it's good. Increase the height. I want to add a small parts like this, like this, and this. Okay. Selected all of them, added, and here I have to add frosted glass to our decal. Start the render from here. That's it. But you can also add a checker pattern to the material if you want a custom design. For example, okay, I have to bring it material like this. You can find the checker and add it to opacity color like this. Okay, see, increase the tiling number like this. So check out the result. It's not bad. Yes. Okay, good. Next step is the logo. Okay, I have to remove it. This I don't want it. If you want to add a logo to your model, again add a new Corona Decal. Like here. Okay, stop this. Maybe. No, don't need the steps. Add Corona Decal here. It's mean I have to Corona Decal. Don't forget, this second decal should be bigger than the previous one. Okay. I have to add it. Current decal like this. Scale is wrong, so increase the length for better result. I told you the second decal should be bigger than the previous one. That's mean the larger decal will have priority over the smaller one. Now we can see very good result here. Finally, you can see the result again. Perfect. That's it. What do you think? I think it was perfect. Thank you for watching.